Read each of the following situations in order to determine if it is a permutation or a combination, then follow the instructions. Situation A, putting 3 seniors from North High School in a committee to plan an event. Situation B, awarding identical ribbons to the first 2 finishers in a race. Situation C, filling the positions of president and vice president from the members of the student council. Situation D, awarding gold, silver, and bronze medals to the first, second, and third place finishers in a race. Okay, how can you decide what is a permutation versus combination? Permutation, order matters. Combination, order does not matter. So if you think about it, a combination lock that used to be, well, back in my day it was on the lockers, and you would have your own lock, or like a bike lock that you have to put in numbers to. It's called a combination lock. It is not correctly named. It ought to be called a permutation lock because order matters on a permutation and a combination doesn't. So like if your code was 1, 2, 3, 4, then for a combination, technically speaking, I could enter in 4, 2, 1, 3, and that would be acceptable too for that lock because the order of a combination doesn't matter. So they are incorrectly named. So again, let's just think, is the order matter or not matter? So putting 3 seniors from North High School in a committee to plan an event. There is not an order to that. There's no ranking of them. There's no saying you're vice president, you're president, you're secretary. So there's no order on that. So situation is a combination since there's not an order. Situation B, awarding identical ribbons to the first 2 finishers in the race. So the key here is that they are identical ribbons. So that means the order doesn't matter because no matter whether they finish first or second, they're going to have the exact same ribbon. So situation B is another combination. So now let's look at situation C, filling the positions of president, vice president from the members of the student council. Since the order of this matters because only one person can be president and only one person can be vice president, and that order matters because it determines what role they are going to fill. Situation C is a permutation. Situation D, awarding gold, silver, and bronze medals to the first, second, and third place finishers in a race. Okay, again, there's the first, second, and third place. There's the distinction between the medals. It's a gold, silver, and bronze. So order does matter, and situation D would be a permutation.